Welcome to our channel. Deleting your Robinhood account permanently requires closing positions and following specific steps to ensure complete removal. Step 1. Before deletion, sell all stocks, crypto, and other assets in your portfolio and withdraw all available funds to your bank account. Step 2. Cancel any pending orders and wait for all recent trades to fully settle, which typically takes 2 business days for stocks. Step 3. Ensure your Robinhood account balance is zero and all transfers to your bank are complete before proceeding with deletion. Step 4. Deactivate instant deposit and Robinhood Gold if you have these features enabled, as active subscriptions prevent account closure. Step 5. Contact Robinhood support through the app or website to request account deactivation, as there's no self-service deletion option. Step 6. Provide verification of your identity and confirm that you want to permanently close your account and delete all associated data. Step 7. Follow any additional steps Robinhood support requests, which may include waiting periods or additional confirmations. Step 8. Receive confirmation that your account has been closed and verify you can no longer log in to the Robinhood app or website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.